Alright, today we're going to be talking about frequency tables. And a frequency table is a table that lists each item in a data set with number of times the item occurs. The reason we use frequency tables is because it's much easier when you're reading data to read it in a table or a graph than it is to read it in a list. So let's take this list up here and blow it up. Alright, here's favorite colors from a classroom. Alright, here's my table. Now I'm going to organize this data into this table. So the first thing I'm going to do is see how many different colors I've got. So look at the table. Look at the favorite colors chart. Blue. Okay. I've got purple. I've got red. I've got yellow. I've got green. And we've got orange. Okay, now we're going to tally how many blue we have. We're going to start with blue. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put little tick marks under the tally section here beside the blue. And I'm going to put 6 of them because there's 6 blue in the chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to do the same thing for purple. 1, 2, okay, just 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to do the same thing for red. 1, 2, just 2 for red. Same thing for yellow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Same thing for green. 1, 2. Same thing for orange. You got to get all the data in your chart. 1. Alright, just 1 orange. Okay, now we're going to count our tally marks. And that's what's going to go under the frequency section of our table. So for blue, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For purple, we've got 2 tick marks, 2 tally marks. For red, we've got 2. Yellow, we've got 3. Green, we've got 2. And orange, we've got 1. Okay, so here's our frequency table. This whole table is our frequency table. And here is where we made tally marks for each color. And here is the number of tally marks for each color, or what we call the frequency. Alright, so this whole thing is our frequency table. Now, as you can see, this table, this frequency table, is much easier to read than this chart, because you can look at the table and it tells you. You want to know how many oranges there are? It tells you right here. There's 1. How many reds? There's 2. Blues? There's 6. Now, if you had to look at the chart, you'd have to count. How many blues are there? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, as you can see, it's easier to look at the frequency table, and you'll know exactly how many blues there are, how many greens. You'll know the frequency of the data because it tells you.